Guys, it's mail time. Let's check this out. Mail. All right, let's get this open. Oh yeah, it's out. Yes. All right, let's check it out. Oh look, they taped it some more. Let's take care of that. We got this. All right then. All right. Come on. All right. Ooh, what's this? Hey, can you guys tell yet? Got some parts here. Got some go fast parts here. What else have we got in here? Well, hello. This ought to make it go fast. So, keep up with the demand of the new injectors. We went ahead and got a Walbro 400. So, yeah, kind of hard to read on there, but yep, it is an authentic Walbro 400. This will take care of the fuel demands up to, I believe, about 500 to 600 wheel horsepower. So more than we're shooting for, definitely. And the nice thing is this one actually comes with a little bit of grease on it, but comes with the full installation kit too. So this is about 106 bucks on eBay. I will drop the link down in the description, and we will go ahead and do another video on installing this. So stay tuned. Good stuff.